Cruise by Mandy, a quick tour of Odyssey of the Seas. Gorgeous ship that came out in 2021. Room keys at your doors upon arrival. As you enter your stateroom, this is a balcony stateroom with the doors on the shower, not the curtains. The twin beds were set up for us, enough room for some strawberries and champagne. But the twin beds work great, and this was a balcony cabin. Now for a little more good vibes here, let's go check out a suite. Some of the suites on the aft of the ship are 2-story, meaning you do climb up the stairs to go to bed. Upstairs, you can have your bathroom and dressing area. Still have your thermostat control up there. You have your bed facing the wake in this particular suite. This was not my suite, but I did get to attend a function in there, and the people that stayed there love it. You have the overlook down to the living room area below, as well as the wake when you are at sea. Excellent views, nice panoramic windows, 2-story views, and your private balcony in the back. Just some photos. You still have your television, dressing area. Don't forget those stairs, so if you've got a wonky knee, be careful. The bathroom, and of course the aft balcony here. View of the wake, which is always my favorite. And comfy lounge chairs and a table for breakfast and any other meal you have delivered. Now, that's North Star up, but if you are back in my room, same decor, whole lot smaller, but plenty of storage space for closets. And again, smaller bathroom, but it does the job. Have our safe like normal. And the views. If you want North Star is free at this time when you are docked in port. But when you're at sea, the current rate was $29 per person. It would go over the sides of the ship and really give you some different views. You are 300 feet above the water, but you can catch a glimpse of a beautiful sunset. Cruise by Mandy, enjoy the Odyssey of the Seas on Royal Caribbean.